After setting up email notifications, let's try placing an order to see the details and clarify the previous setup. Here, we'll open two windows for your convenience, the Store Page window and the Google Sheet window for order management. We'll proceed to order. Fill in the customer payment information, full name, phone number, email, address, and order notes, if any. Apply the generated promotional code, if any. Choose the payment method, cash or bank transfer. Click Finish Order and wait a moment for the system to process the order information. A notification will then appear confirming the order has been successfully processed. Simultaneously, you will see the order information saved in the Google Sheet file, Order Management. You will see the invoice interface after the order is successfully placed. Customers can also download the invoice. OK, click Close to return to the store page. Now we will examine the order details recorded in the Google Sheet file, Order Management. Each line in this file contains information about an order placed. Here we will see fields such as customer information, name, address, etc. Product list, original price, discount price, post-discount price. Discount details, payment method. Payment status. Order status, order confirmation status. And status of send notifications. After placing the order, the customer will receive an email notification. It containing details such as the order code, product list, price, etc. Once the customer verifies that the information is correct, they will find a confirmation button. When the customer clicks Confirm, the order status will change to Confirmed. Currently, the order status is waiting for confirmation and the confirmation status is in No. Now we will explain in detail the information fields in sheet name 3 setting Verify Order of Customer. First is the confirmation time field, time for order confirmation. Currently, the default value is 24. This means that from the time of ordering, the customer will have 24 hours to confirm the order. We can change this value. Scrolling down, there will be a confirmation button. When you press Confirm, the system will check and display a successful confirmation message. At the same time, the Verify Order Check status column will change to Y, Yes. If we turn on Verify Response Email Back, in addition to the notification on the screen, an email confirming the successful order will be sent to the customer. The system will also record the status of the successful order confirmation email. We don't necessarily need to enable this feature because there are already direct on-screen notifications with similar content for customers, and enabling it will consume one additional email send for each order confirmation. The number of emails sent per day is limited to 100 per day for a free Gmail account. So we should consider disabling this option. Besides notifying customers of successful order confirmation, the system will also send an email notification to the store about the successful order confirmation, making it convenient for store managers. This is the email sent to the store about the new order. This is the email sent to the store about the successfully confirmed order. We can also set up receiving email notifications sent to the store in the sheet name 2. Setting new order notifications. If you only want to receive email notifications only when an order is successfully confirmed, simply turn on for notifications for verified orders and turn off for notifications for new orders.